Hey guys, huddle up. It's time for an Around the Storage Block Chalk Talk. In this Chalk Talk, I'm going to give an overview of the HPE 3-part StoreServ family, and with new products, I'm excited to bring you this Chalk Talk. The evolution of Flash has been faster than grease lightning. Wave 1 was focused on performance. Back then, Flash was still super expensive and it only made sense to deploy in niche workloads. Wave 2 was when we started to see it go mainstream. Sales conversations were usually focused on the economics of Flash, and HPE started to take a leadership position. We're on the cusp of a third wave of Flash adoption. It's more than just mainstream. It's now the all-Flash data center. In a recent survey by TechTarget.com, 51% of customers said they expect to have an all-Flash data center in the next 5 years. Let me give you a first look at the 3-part portfolio. It's a single portfolio that can address exactly what you need. It starts with the 8000 series, 2 and 4 nodes, converged flash or all-flash that scales to over 1 million IOPS and 10 petabytes of usable capacity. How's that for just starting out with the 3-part family? The new product of the portfolio is the 9000 series, and specifically the 4-node all-flash 3-part 9450. It scales to over 2 million IOPS and has 18 petabytes of usable capacity max. And we've updated the 20000, converged flash or all-flash. It has a maximum of 8 nodes and over 3 million IOPS and 24 petabytes of usable capacity. Across the 3-part portfolio, it's one operating system, one architecture, and one management console. 3-part is designed with a focus on I/O horsepower. Those all-flash startups have given up trying to say 3-part isn't an all-flash architecture, so now they attack the fact that 3-part uses a custom ASIC. The ASIC makes a huge difference that all-flash vendors like Pure Storage and EMC Extreme I/O just can't address. I think this picture tells the story. Without a custom ASIC, all of the features run on a CPU. While the CPUs are certainly more powerful than they were years ago, if you only have a maximum of a couple, they're going to still be a bottleneck. With 3-part, we separate control data and data payload. The Intel-based processors handle things like replication, thin provisioning, RAID rebuilds, sub-blend tiering, snapshots, and compression. The 3-part ASIC offloads the CPU and handles RAID parity calculations, internode and cache I/O, mixed workloads, thin reclamation, and data deduplication, leaving plenty of headroom so 3-part excels at simultaneous mixed workloads. But it's more than that. It's flash with ultimate flexibility. There's the converged flash family that can handle a mix of flash and spinning disks. These converged flash are part of both the 8000 and 20000 series and leverage software like adaptive flash cache and adaptive optimization to give the best of hybrid flash performance. And then there's the all-flash solutions that span the 8000, the new 9000, and the 20000, giving you options from 2 to 8 controller nodes. Across the 3-part portfolio is a set of common Tier 1 data services. Services that newer built-from-the-ground-up competitors like Pure and Extreme I/O just don't offer. Adaptive data reduction technologies are more than just deduplication and compression. I've talked about this on my blog, so check it out to go deeper. There's both block and file-based access. Storage Federation allows you to seamlessly move data between multiple 3-parts and even import data from EMC, HDS, and IBM arrays. And 3-part has an unbeatable set of replication technologies. The performance proof is in the Storage Performance Council's industry standard benchmarks. 3-part has the #1 SPC1 benchmark for external all-flash arrays with the industry's best price performance. And we also have leading SPC2 performance with the first all-flash array in the top 10 with more than 62 gigabits per second. Next, I want to give you a quick look at the 3-part software portfolio. What I'm going to show you here is meant to overwhelm you because there's a lot. Here I'll show you what 3-part offers across 4 dimensions: management, protection, optimization, and efficiency. To keep the Chalk Talk brief, I can't go into details, but pause the video if you want to get a look at what's available here. And since the 3-part software licensing model recently changed, I want to talk about it. We've made it simple, really simple. Every 3-part system now ships with every feature you need for a single array. For high availability across multiple systems, add multi-system software option for remote copy, federation, pure persistence, and CLX. I want to give a brief mention to HPE 3-part Flash Now. There's a whole Chalk Talk I did that goes deeper. 3-part Flash Now is on-premises flash storage at less than half the cost of public cloud. All flash, on-premises, starting at 3 cents per gigabyte, usable per month. HPE 3-part is the broadest flash family in the industry. Let's talk about how and give you some numbers that prove the point. It's affordable, and the two numbers are 75% and 0.03. 75% is the average capacity savings from all of the 3-part capacity efficiency technologies. And with 3-Par Flash now, you can have all flash starting at 3 cents per gigabyte per month usable. It's lightning fast. Over 3 million, and 1 in 2. Over 3 million IOPS at under 0.6 milliseconds latency, and a leader in both the SPC1 and SPC2 benchmarks. And it's enterprise class. And the numbers are $24.99 and $9,999. It scales to 24 petabytes, and it has proven 6 nines availability. And this is all with one OS, one interface, one set of Tier 1 features, any workload, and federated mobility. To learn more, go to hpe.com/storage/3par. Always love to hear from you on Twitter, where you can find me as Calvin Zito. You can find my blog at hpe.com/storage/blog. Until next time, thanks for joining me on this Around the Storage Block Chalk Talk.